Hello everyone. Today we're going to initialize the Epson SureColor P7000 Commercial Edition printer. First, we'll cover how to charge the initial inks that came with the printer. Second, you will learn the proper way to load paper. And third, we'll walk through how to run both bidirectional and unidirectional head alignments. Before we start, we're going to make a couple of assumptions, mainly that your printer is plugged in, turned on, you've selected your language, date and time, and units of measurement. With that out of the way, let's get started. First, you're going to need to select your ink set. We're using the commercial edition of the P7000, so we're going to go ahead and select violet instead of light black. The difference between the standard editions and commercial editions of the P7000 and P9000 is that the commercial editions use a violet cartridge instead of the light black ink cartridge used by the standard editions. It's important to note that once you've selected your ink set, the setting can't be changed once the initial ink charging process begins. Before the inks can be charged, obviously they need to be installed. At this point, the panel will read no ink cartridges, install ink cartridges. After about a minute, ink covers pop open slightly. What we want to do is shake the inks for a few seconds, making sure not to touch the green chips on the cartridges. Now install the inks into their proper channels and close the cartridge covers. The printer begins charging the ink delivery system and the power light flashes. The inks will start charging through the ink lines as can be seen here. To load paper, make sure the roll cover is up. Push the lock lever down firmly. Then move the roll paper holder to the left. Place the roll on the printer. Make sure the media adapters are set to the right core size and that the tension levers are up. Push the adapters into the core at both ends and lock the tension levers. Slide the roll paper holder to the right to secure it in the printer. Make sure both ends of the roll paper are secured in the adapters. Pull up the lock lever to lock the paper in place. If the light is not on the load paper button, press the load paper button. Insert the paper into the slot and pull it down until the edge of the paper is in the center of the stand. Close the roll paper cover. Press the load paper button. On the screen that appears on the LCD screen, select Keep Settings Above if the paper settings are correct, or select Change Settings, then adjust the settings. Lastly, press OK. First, we'll do a bidirectional head alignment. Select Menu, Maintenance, Head Alignment, Auto, and Bidirectional with all colors. This process takes around 10 minutes to complete. Once the bidirectional head alignment is complete, repeat the same process for the unidirectional head alignment. And now your printer is ready to print. Stop by our website at spectraflow.com. Also, check out our blog at blog.spectraflow.com and connect with us on social media.